quantum computing, the next big revolution in technology, is no longer just a concept of the future. Across the world, researchers, enterprises, and investors are racing to unlock the power of quantum technologies. And India is stepping into this race with confidence. From computing to networking, sensing, and even cybersecurity, quantum technologies promise to redefine industries. India's government is leading the charge, collaborating with top universities and research institutions to ensure that the country doesn't just participate in this revolution but becomes a leader. The Indian tech community is rapidly catching up with global peers, turning quantum research into real-world business solutions. So, what makes India's quantum journey unique? A recent report highlights some exciting facts. By 2030, quantum technology could add a whopping $310 billion to India's economy. Imagine industries like manufacturing, high-tech, banking, and defense being completely transformed by quantum innovation. Currently, there are around 100 quantum projects running in India, and about 92% of them are government-sponsored. This shows the serious commitment of India's leadership toward becoming a global quantum hub. Looking ahead, India plans to develop a 50-qubit quantum computer by 2026, a milestone that could put the nation on the global quantum map. But here's a surprising point: despite this massive growth potential, less than 1% of Indian enterprises are actively exploring quantum technology for their businesses. This gap highlights a huge opportunity for companies willing to invest in quantum now. The report also outlines specific opportunities for India to take the lead, improving the quantum ecosystem, supporting startups, encouraging industry collaboration, and investing in skilled quantum talent. With the right strategies, India can harness quantum technologies not just for research, but to create real economic impact across sectors by 2030. In short, the quantum revolution is coming and India is gearing up to be at the forefront. The future of computing, defense, banking, and high-tech industries in India will be shaped by quantum technologies. The question is, are Indian businesses ready to catch this wave?